said, have the possibility of variable height of the platform, but not only just the variable height, we can also stabilize the platform for better comfort. And another point is modularity. At first, it seems that keeping everything inside the torpedo can be a problem in terms of safety or maintenance. But if you think the torpedo just a fully interchangeable propulsion unit, you can see that you can do upgrades, you can have easier maintenance in terms of fleet handling, and also a scalability. As I said, this is not a boat, it's a concept, a hull design that can be applied to several designs. We are now, we did a prototype, it's outside here, which is a motor, it's just a demonstrator. The first one is Jerry Stander, and it's subject to an agreement with Azimut Benetti to build a prototype and hopefully a series of yacht tenders. And other projects are ongoing from 6 meters to 20 meters with this technology. And yeah, we talked about scalability and modularity. The same platform is shared between can be shared between multiple projects. This is the prototype you can see outside. It's built in recyclable materials. We made several shipyards working together. We have FAB of the Vermarine Group that built the hull in basalt fiber and linen fiber from the platform. And we made also working on the project Castagnola Yacht, which is one of the last shipyards making yachts in wood. So the superstructure is in wood. And we had also Vulcan for the propulsion. And this is the market, just an overview of the market, of the potential. This is a quick comparison between a surface piercing hydrofoil, a fully submerged hydrofoil, and traditional water taxi. Basically, we are focused not just on efficiency, but in wave formation and accessibility and safety. So in 2 words, we call it slow foiling and safe foiling. This is what we did up to date. We just quickly we deposited two patents, and we had 2 capital increases. And which is what we are going to do in the next few time. We are now, so the line of Jerry Stander will follow the agreement with Azimut Benetti, and we are now focused on Jerry Taxi, a low-cost taxi flying with our concept. This is our shareholders and team. Some of them are here. Thank you to Barbara in particular. And yes, we won 2 awards last year, some articles here. And this is more of provocation because I keep seeing renders of wow effect flying boats. It's just to say, okay, this took 4 hours, but the difficulty is to make a boat flying, not making renders. And thank you everyone.
Thank you. We welcome now on stage the Swiss company Aquon. Swiss company Aquon, up on stage, please. In the meantime, I will stand here. Aquon, do we have an Aquon representative? Not Aquon, not Aquon. We are actually going to move to FinX. Do we have FinX? Bienvenue.
Merci. I just have one slide actually.
Ok. Il le mettra dans 2 secondes. Et puis
ouais, ok.
Je voulais le cliquer là, mais vous en avez pas.
Ouais, super. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ok. Hello to all of you, good morning. Today I will tell you a story. Today I will tell you a very nice story. Today I will tell you the story of the revolution of boating. Phoenix has one ambition: revolutionizing boating and nautical propulsion. At Phoenix, we replace the propellers of engines by this undulating membrane inspired by the fish swim, totally safe, disruptive technology and bio-inspired. Right now, we are commercializing our first product, a Fin 5. It's a 5 horsepower motor, 2 kilowatts, and it's dedicated to small boats and to sailboats up to 3 tons. By 2024, we will develop a second motor, a 150 horsepower. You will be able to see it right there. It's put on a boat and it will be launched during the opening ceremony of the Olympic and Paralympic Games of Paris in 2024. So we are very, very excited to make public transportations on the River Seine. Today at Phoenix we are 9 and we will be 23 by December. We are supported by a fabulous person that here you all know. It's Loïc Perron, a French sailor, and it's our godfather since the beginning, since 3 years ago now. And we are currently doing our second fundraising. We are closing it for now on. So guys, developing disruptive technology is taking risks, is making choices, and it's having a vision. Today, mindset is totally ready. Today, the need is real. Today, customers are waiting for a disruptive technology. At Phoenix, we work with passion, with determination, and we are all convinced that the best way to preserve nature is to get inspired by her. Thank you very much.
Next up on stage, Edorado. Edorado. There he is. Welcome, sir. Yeah, I'll make sure I put that better. You have a clicker here, and your set will be up.
It is already up there. Good afternoon. My name is Godert van Hardenbroek from Edorado Marine. We are developing fast electric powerboats using hydrofoil technology. Let me see the clicker. So we have a little booth over there with a model of our boat. My business partner and I, we started off a very experimental. We quite soon realized if you want to go fast with an electric boat, with battery electric, you need to reduce the drag a lot. So we really have been experimenting a lot with models and stuff like that. Here you can see what we view the comparison of range versus speed of a planing hull with a hydrofoil. So you see that especially if you go fast, the dotted line is the range of a planing hull. And as soon as you start speeding up, the range drops dramatically. But if you follow the orange line, initially we have more drag because there is something that's called the power hump. So we have a lot of drag, we have all the hydrofoils running through the water. But once you're out of the water, you see that the range increases a lot because the drag reduces a lot. That's why the real fast solar boats use hydrofoils, because it really uses much less energy. So this is where we are now. We have developed a full-scale 8-meter boat. It's a functioning prototype. We sail it a lot in the Netherlands. Actually, making it fly was very hard, as people who have tried may attest to. It's not easy to create something that has the balance, both in height and roll, because they're intrinsically unstable. So they don't want to do this at all. But we got it down, and at the moment we are developing the brand. So actually we're developing this boat. So this is the 8S, the Eldorado 8S, and it'll be a luxury day boat. It's targeted mostly at lakes and rivers initially. Later on we can scale up to bigger boats. And we're producing it now. We're in the middle of producing it, and we hope to have it ready next year. We will be able to give demonstrations with it, and I think it's quite an exciting journey to be on. So thank you very much. I was too quick. I figured 5 minutes is not long. It's a long time.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. That was it. Thank you. We move on with EH2P up on stage. EH2P, welcome. Dans 2 secondes, vous avez cliquer ici pour avancer notre prochain slide.
Hello, my name is Jean-François Nicolino. I am the manager of EH2P. My company is dedicated to engineering and manufacturing of green powertrain for marine application, based here in Monaco. So I am developing and manufacturing batteries, so batteries mainly for boats, internal combustion engine, including hydrogen internal combustion engine for zero CO2, electric motor, and electric propulsion system, including propulsion system for foils and hybridization of propellers. So I have a complete service, including the analysis of needs of customers, the design of the powertrain, and manufacturing, installation, and after-sale service. So, for instance, what is nitrogen internal combustion engine system? So it's an internal combustion system with hydrogen burning, coupled with a generator for low voltage or high voltage. It's, of course, hydrogen storage for high pressure storage, with small batteries for instance, for in and out of harbor, and integrated propulsion system inside foils. And a big project I have is 100 places Monaco-Nice shuttles, together with my partner CR. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We now welcome on stage Villa d'Este. Welcome, welcome. And if we can remember to keep it a bit quieter in the back, that would be amazing, so we can hear them in the front. Thank you. Benvenuto. Come stai?
Mi dai tu i 5 minuti o i 4?
You want to go after the next one?
No, it's fine, but if you tell me when it's 4 minutes, so I know.
Yeah, okay. I'll let you know.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Marco Macaus, and I'm from the Hotel Villa d'Este. And I have Tommaso here with me from the Cantiere. So you know from the very beginning that I'm doing the talking and they do the work. They created this beautiful boat that you can see over there. What happened is that with the first lockdown 2.5 years ago, whatever it was, nobody went on the Lake of Como for 3 or 4 months. No navigation was possible. And the lake became such a beautiful thing that no man has seen for 200 years, because nobody was really sailing on the lake. So we said that this is the proof that we need to do something, and this is the moment to start moving in this direction. In the same time, Cantiere Ernesto Riva, which is a 250-year-old yard with a long tradition of traditional wooden boats, they were working on a new electric boat. And so we got together because we are in a small place together, and we gave the place where to show this boat, and they were going to show the boat. So we created this event, which is called Villa d'Este Electric Yachting. We have next edition on the 17th of September, and if you want, do get in touch with us, and we can have you and have your products if you like, and work together on this. But now I'd like to give the mic to Tommaso, who will tell you more about the boat itself. Thank you.
Thank you, Marco. So here we have a model developed for Villa d'Este, that it's the 4th model of the company, create for this special hotel that commit to us a special needs, and we develop together this electric boat that make experiment the feeling of go silent in the lake with another feeling of navigation. The project started in 2017 when Daniele Riva decided to rethink about boats, and with the German Frère and the team of the yard decide to design a new boat based on know-how of the 250 years old family-owned brand. And so this tradition of working wood was translated with this new design, developed specific for electric engine and battery propulsion. So we have different models that cover a fleet that it's from 10 meters, then 8 and 6 meter boats, so different type of use and completely custom. Think in 360 degree about sustainability, because we approach this project with also think about the certification of the wood from a specific part of the world, and also glue with a characteristic that have not a strong impact in terms of damage the environment. And with this type of boat we set and we achieve a lot of result in terms of comfort, technical aspect, and also aesthetic part. So with the Villa d'Este we had the chance to push more on the custom boat, and we are really happy about this occasion.
So there you see the baby, and you will see it on the water. Please do come and see it, and do get in touch if you want to come to our event in September. Thank you very much, and we are just in time. Thank you.
Grazie. Up on stage now, the next Italian representatives, AS La Bruna.
Thanks. Good morning to all. I'm Massimo La Bruna, the CEO of AS La Bruna, a company founded in 1971 with 50 years of story, 50 years of innovation. We start with 3 business units: Marine, Power, and Loading. Marine is a business unit that we are system integrator. We give propulsion to every type of boat. From some years, we are involved with a business unit, eVision, that see the propulsion with the idea of sustainability. With this business unit, we give the propulsion to every type of boat with fuel cell, hybrid system, and all methanol and hydrogen fuel cell. This is our range. We start from outboards, inboard, and hybrid system. In Monaco, we have a concept. We have the boat Futura. This is an old boat built in 1968 that we rebuild in our city and reconvert like a full electric boat with hydrogen. You can see this boat on the dock. We participate to this open class race with our team, and this is we made this boat because we want to demonstrate that we can solve the problem of autonomy and speed of recharge, because in this boat we have a little battery pack and we have a range extender with hydrogen fuel cell. This is a concept that can be scalable, and we can apply this system to big boat. Thank you very much.
Next up on stage, we'd love to welcome Edin, the Slovenian representatives. Thank you. The presentation will be up in just a second. You have clickers. Next slide,
Back slide. Hello. Edin, what is Edin? Edin is electric propulsion system for boats, and that systems we produce in Slovenia. We are start 5 years ago with Quadrofoil. That was in Slovenia one project, I think the first in Europe with foils, with electric and the development of the electric. Our development is complete motor with battery, with charger and complete system. We start then in Venice with the station, charging station. We have the partners, and the new one in this year is 20 kilowatts. It will be 25 kilowatts, it's outside, outboard. That is, I think, the separately special design for Edin, and it's very looking good. It's water cooled, the engine is on the head, and you can the trim function and the cooling system. B25 is open cooling system, but 11 kilowatt is closed system. The difference is that the small one is working on 48 volts, and the big one is working at 96 volts. We produce the inboards too. We have the inboards from 10 kilowatts up to 150 kilowatts. And our partners, we make the complete system up to 1.7 kilowatts. That is for big yachts like you have here in the Monaco possible. What we make the custom, we make the rips, we make the alu boats, we make the plastic boats, the pleasure boats, regatta power boats, and rental boats. We produce the small engines, 2.8 kilowatt, 4.3, and 6.1 kilowatt too, with the small batteries, with the small rips. We have our internet site. You can visit, and there you become all data, and you send to mail to all information. In this year and the last year, we won in Venice Regatta on the electric competition with our boat, with the Kaiser boat. We go to all these big fairs, Düsseldorf, Amsterdam, Milano, and Monaco, and we present our engines. That is photos from this all, and that is our company. Thank you very much for the attention. Thank you. Bye.
And finally, we welcome up on stage Symbio for the last industry pitch of today. Symbio, welcome to the stage.
Merci. Pour la slide, c'est je l'ai lancé, c'est ça?
2 secondes et vous avez ici pour le prochain slide et
Et revenir? Ok. Il l'a envoyé par mail, je pense. Non, pas de souci. Sinon, j'ai sur le PC. On a le PC. Ouais, allez, on fait ça. Bah, ou sinon, je la fais comme ça. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, if, we won't have the presentation of the company, so I will explain it like that. So I'm Guillaume Tremola, in charge of business development for Symbio. So just a few words about Symbio. It's a company who's producing fuel cell systems. So we're founded in 2010, and then in 2018, Michelin and Faurecia bought the company. And the aim of that joint venture was to bring Symbio from a startup to a global tier 1. So today we're around 400 people. We will be 600 people by the end of the year. And we're developing complete fuel cell system, meaning the heart of the system, the stack, including the MEA, the BPP, and the BOP. And we are producing around 1,000 systems per year today. Our main customer is Stellantis, so we work for Opel, Peugeot and Citroën as a main customer, and we're also targeting stationaries and marine applications. We have a range of products between 40 kilowatt to 300 kilowatt, and we have a booth here, so if you have any question, please, you are invited to come and see us. Thank you.
Okay, amazing, thank you. We just had then today's session of the industry pitches is over. In about 30 minutes in this place, we will have the job dating job forum. So anyone, either yourself or anyone outside, if you want to talk with companies, engineering jobs, there's a lot of things open, a lot of things to look at. So that will be from 1 to 6 in here. Other general information, at 2 p.m. the parade will start outside. All the boats will be in the water. It'll be chaos, it'll be a mess, it'll be amazing. So make sure you're around this area at 2. And then at 2:30, the qualifying laps and the maneuverability trial will start in the marina and in open sea. For now, that is it for me, so enjoy your lunch and see you around.